friends, this is Pradeep from Tech and Training Corporate Solutions once again with a new video in 2 minute series. As you know that I am continuing with a series which is 2 minutes in Microsoft. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to convert a Word document into a PowerPoint presentation in less than 2 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. But before I go ahead and tell you more about this feature, can I just request you to hit the subscribe button, do like the video, share it with all your friends and family members. Let's move into my laptop. So friend, here is my simple Word document. I have not done any kind of formatting to this document. It's just title 1, title 2, title 3. So I would like to convert this document into PowerPoint. So first I have to do is save this file in Microsoft OneDrive. You can use your free OneDrive as well as OneDrive for Business. Both are okay. And naming it as Word to PPT. Now that I have saved this file on OneDrive, let me open it from the drive. This is the file that I have to convert into PowerPoint presentation. So friends, as you saw that this is the file on the cloud. Now in order to convert this document into a PowerPoint presentation, all I have to do is click on File, go to Export, and there is a preview feature which is Export to PowerPoint presentation. Just click on it. Here it will give you the options to choose the theme. Whichever theme that you like according to your PowerPoint presentation, choose that and click on Export. When you do that, it will show you this window, which means your PowerPoint is being converted, and yes, we got the PowerPoint presentation. Just click on the button and see you've got the stunning slide. So the name of the document was Word to PPT, and here are the slides that we have. Fantastic presentation, isn't it? Right? Now, since this is on the cloud, all you can do is just download it. Simply go to File and click on Save As and click on Download a Copy. Simple, isn't it? So friends, now that you have seen how to convert a Word document into a PowerPoint presentation, let's understand certain benefits of this method. This method is very easy to use, as you saw that we just have to do less than 2 to 3 clicks to get the Word document converted. This feature is available on all the platforms as it requires only a browser. You just need to have Word document on the cloud so that you can convert it into PowerPoint, which again gets created on the cloud itself. And since it is available on the browser, you do not need to install anything. Even if you do not have Microsoft Office on your system, you will still be able to convert to PowerPoint presentation. And this is not restricted to only Microsoft 365 users. Any person who's got Microsoft user ID, which includes Hotmail, Microsoft Live ID, or MSN ID, or Microsoft 365 active subscribers, all of them will have access to these features. Let's understand certain limitations of this feature. At the moment, this feature is only restricted to text and is not available for pictures. So if your Word document has got pictures, it cannot be transformed into PowerPoint. I know that this is a very big limitation, but Microsoft is working on it, and very soon you can see Word document along with pictures and other elements getting transformed into PowerPoint presentation. Till then, please do try this feature. I'm sure you would have liked this feature to convert Word into PowerPoint. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do share it with your friends. Thank you very much.